Hello guys, this is Dr. Quarter Fix. Today we have a BMW X6 2010 model 6 inline with turbo. And the customer complaint on this car is that the AC system is blowing warm air. And they said, and I quote, it has been through different mechanic garage, and the reason why you're seeing a lot of dust on it right now is because mechanic have worked on it, several shops have worked on it, and they didn't succeed. The problem persisted, and that is why they packed it and abandoned it. So it's been kept for like a year plus without usage because of the AC system. So they located me on the internet today, and we're gonna be taking on this bad boy. We're gonna be working on it and getting it back working. So one thing I want to tell you guys there is most of you guys who do underrate or underestimate the capability of me based on the few subscribers or poor views I have on the internet. That is not the realistic case. You don't judge book by the cover. Alright? You don't judge book by the cover. I want you to take a very good look at my channel and see the kind of cars that I worked on and use that to judge me. If I'm not that good, people won't keep patronizing me and bringing much more advanced tech cars into my car, into my garage. So it's not the location. Secondly, it's not the location that fixed the car. It's the ingenuity behind the tools that fix the car. So one thing which the customer complained again is that the AC will cool for some days and will not cool again, which I believe that is a leak issue, which I'm certain that's why there is a lot of welding, change of pipes. Wow. And I was really blown away. For Christ's sake, this is 2010 model. And look at it. 2010 model that they've chopped the pipe like a butcher here. Damn. Including welding the condenser. If you look down there, you're gonna see some other details that we need. So, however, it's gonna be going down. Whatever I find out, I'll let you guys know. But like I said, I want you not to forget something here. It's not the workshop or the location that fixed the car. It's the mechanic. It's the ingenuity of the mechanic. And for some other of you who are also trying to make more further inquiries, I am not brand specific. I take on every car with different tactics and different measures. If I discover that the system depend on what I find inside the system is what's going to give me a best approach that I'm going to derive a new approach. I reinvent method and tools to be able to solve a problem every time I come across problems. So you should have that in your mind. So if you're in Nigeria and you are watching this video right now, you should have it at the back of your mind that I'm the kind of mechanic, I will be the last mechanic that will not solve your car problem. No matter what the problem is, I will always figure it out. All I need is the cash and a lot of time, my dear. So guys, I gotta catch you guys later. This Dr. Quarter Fix. When you have a car problem, don't forget, I got your back. And what more can I say? It's get better. And you even know the funny side. The previous, before we go further, the previous text that works on this car is a high standard garage, so notable in Nigeria that when you mention their name, even the rat in the hole is gonna scream out. Okay, so my point is, this car has been through a big time, and I think one of the most famous and the most expensive dealership in Nigeria, Abuja precisely. People know them to be very expensive, and I'm surprised that they get to work on this car and they couldn't resolve the AC issue. And funny side that you have to understand about this X6 AC system is it's not as complicated. It is very simple. I'm quite astonished by what BMW did in this car. It is you know, it's more like a flawless machine. I've been looking at it from afar, but today I have a very close look at it, and I'm really blown away by the incredible engineering these people built here. It's lovely, it's amazing. So that's why most people don't have issues with their BMW X6 cars, because the AC system is seriously engineered, not just only the AC system, including the whole system. You see? This is the first thing we're discussing on this engine here. Off it. Woo! This is crazy. Nothing.
I know I see the two nozzles. The nozzle will be like bomb.
Nah, that type of my engine in there here now. For my Passat now. Maybe a pressure controller. Hi. So we're gonna be getting this thing rectified and yes. Okay, guy. I don't know if you can see this, but we're noticing a lot of fuel dumping from inside here, like the previous video that I showed you there, while we are trying to dismantle the engine. So it was leaking from this injector too. So we see a lot of fuel there. That's more like a grace of God driving, because this fuel has been dumping there and smelling. So, but maybe it's not even maybe, we're going to be using that to show you guys how we do our own kind of thing. We don't just fix one problem and create any other, but solve so that when the car comes back, it will be different than what it has been before you brought it back. So we are going to be using the same opportunity to check some other injectors and see if any of them is leaking. Then we are going to address them, because this can actually potentially cause a fire problem. It has been dumping fuel in that place for quite a long time. Guys, the quarter fixed, so we're done working on this BMW X6 2010 model. I have to work late tonight in order to get this AC working. I want you to look at the glass very closely. You can see a lot of dew right inside there. You can see it better right now. So it's really cooling very mad inside.
Alright, Andrew, what about your church?
Oh my goodness. Damn. Okay guys, so that's Mr. Cool Auto Fix. So if you have a problem with your BMW, Mercedes, whichever, any car, make, car, brand or model that have AC, electric or computer issue, or even electrical electronics, can get it to me. If you're in Nigeria, if you're not in Nigeria, well, except you're gonna book me on a remote assistance service, which is gonna cost you a little bit less than what I charge, but I tell you what, it's gonna work fine. So you can see that the AC is on and it's turned to 16 degrees. The fan is on 3 bar. So everything is working fine as it should right now on this BMW X6 2010 model. So I'm gonna be testing it furthermore for consistency test, so I don't have to have my customer running back within some maybe weeks or 4 days maybe for anything or anything concerning leak. I don't want any kind of those kind of stories. So I want them to really enjoy the benefit of the job which I've done so far. So that's why I want to perform more tests to make sure that everything works as I want it to, and get extremely colder no matter the weather condition. I didn't come out with my multimeter to show you guys how cold it is today, but it's really getting freaky cold down here. So I have to finish up late night today. So guys, that is Dr. Cool Water Fix. You can see the glass, so it is seriously cold. Okay guys, gotta catch you guys later. Right now what I'm about to do is just to pull off my manifold gauge sets and call it a day. It's been a very serious day. I think it's just about 11 p.m. down here. It's been all day after doing the testing before I can be able to finally make my draftings and conclusions. After performing the consistency tests and leak tests to make sure that there is no leak, then I'm good. That's when I'm going to call the customer that this car is ready for pickup. So don't forget, if you have any problem or any question concerning a car fix or any problem, you can contact me, you know. Okay guys, without further ado, I'm gonna be stopping the video right here. Gotta catch you guys later. Thanks for your time, thanks for subscribing, thanks for supporting. For those of you who have not supported, who have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? And for those of you who have subscribed, thanks you for your subscribing to my channel. And I tell you what, it's gonna be a good one. Have a great weekend guys.